again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So just a quick one today. I have got September's Gelbox, so we're going to open it, take a look what's inside it and swatch the colours. For anybody that doesn't know what Gelbox are, they are a UK based company but they do ship worldwide, and it's just a monthly gel box. The gels are Hema-Free, they're huge 20ml bottles, and they're just really good quality gels. You do get a couple of added extras in the box, but they are kind of all about the gels. So let's get it open and see what we got this month. This is a pretty box, so we've got a kind of florally box this month. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Let's get rid of some of this. And then we have got a list of contents. I'm not going to show you the contents because we're going to go through it. Have you tried orchid nails yet? So it says orchid nails are back, and for a moment I thought Gelbox might miss this trend. What started as an elegant look in the early 2000s is now full of sass. The colours are bold with strong accents like metallic lines, ombre effects and rhinestones. Anything goes and it all looks amazing. I hope you love this box as much as I do, and I can't wait to see your nail art creations. And that's the lady that owns Gelbox. She's called Virginia. So if anybody does get these boxes and create the look or any of the past looks, or if you're just using Gelbox products, there's their Instagram there at gelbox.uk if you want to tag them. Right, let's have a look what we got. Quick sneak peek and then we'll slide it off and go through it. Okay, there we go. So we've got another nail file. I've got quite the collection of these nail files now and I love them. Really good nail files. And we've got your cuticle oil. We've got a little mermaid type nail art brush. Very cute. We have got adhesive gel solid sticker. Let me just look at the contents list so I can see what this is. Right, so this is a 3D sculpting gel. Yeah, it's one of them sculpting gels that you can mould into any shape you want. They are quite popular at the minute. Okay, lovely. Right, what else have we got in the box? We have got some caviar beads. I'm just trying to work out, yeah, so it looks like we've got a mixture of a few different sizes in there. Gold caviar beads. Right, and lastly, we've got the gels. Oh, these look right up my street. Look at these colours. So, let me just get something to protect my desk. Right, we'll give these a quick swatch. So we have got this one. Looks like it's a minty green colour. Oh, very nice minty green. Let's get some swatch sticks out. Yeah, if you're looking for some really good quality Hema-Free gels, Gelbox are very nice. Really nice minty green, I like that. Right, next we have got orchid. This looks like a really strong colour. Oh wow, look at this. This is a beautiful colour. Get something on your brush, Aggie. Oh wow, this is pretty. I was expecting it to be a little bit sheer because these shades of pinky purple, they're normally a little bit sheer, but that's a super opaque creamy colour. Beautiful colour. I do like that. Right, next we've got dragon fruit. This looks nice. Oh wow, gosh, this is a bright neon. And again, neons, they're normally quite sheer, but look at this for a neon. So smooth and creamy and highly pigmented. Beautiful colour. Bright neon. It's even brighter off camera. Right, and lastly we have got lava. Again, this looks like a bit of a neon. It is, wow. These are fantastic quality for neons, this pink and this orange. Beautiful neons, so creamy. Extremely nice gels to use. Wow, look at this. It's like almost a fire truck kind of orangey red, isn't it? So bright and vibrant. Love that. Right guys, there we go. That's the colours. These are so nice. I like that they haven't gone straight down the autumn oranges and burgundies and browns kind of street for this box, for these colours. I like all of them. This is showing up a little darker on camera. It is a lighter kind of purpley kind of pink. Like that. Beautiful colours. These are so bright and vibrant. I love them. So a quick recap. We've got the 3D sculpting gel and the caviar beads. And then we've got the file, the cuticle oil and the nail art brush. I always say it when I unbox these boxes. I am yet to see another bottle of gel polish that is 20ml. I've never seen it before. But anyway guys, just a very quick one today, just to get this unboxed and see what was in it and swatch the colours. Thanks for watching. All links, discount codes will all be down in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.